This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. In fact, I was receiving few letters from India, Pakistan, and from other part of the world. People are interested to come to America on E2 non-immigrant visa. This is a very beautiful visa. It has got a lot of advantage, lot of merits. One is entitled to come to United States of America by investing only $50,000 if one has got already visit visa. And if one does not have a visit visa, then in that case, one need to require $100,000 to invest in America. This investment is not in one go. In order to explain the nitty-gritty, I'm going to attach another video on this subject matter. I hope it will redress your most of the concerns, your most of the problem. But if still there are some concerns, please don't hesitate to call me at my cell number, which is being displayed on the screen.
And I want to continue sharing the good news about the E2 non-immigrant visa that allows you, your spouse, and your children under 21 to come and start living in the United States. Now, all it takes is $50,000 of investment if you have a visitor's visa. And if you don't have a visitor's visa, then you probably need around $100,000 to come in and start your life in the US. Now, how does it work? Very simple. First of all, you have to show that you have at least $50,000 or $100,000 available to you as white money. Now, what is white money? White money is that money that can be traced. So you either inherited it, you earned it, you sold something, or it could be a loan or a gift from somebody that you can trust, and it's available for you in the US to invest. Number two, you have to find a business here in the US that you can either own 100% or that you become a partner of about 51% at least, because you have to be the majority owner. So you bring your money to the US, you find a business where you're either the owner or a majority owner, and then you have to show that this business will at least make you $3,000 a month in income that you can use to support yourself. As long as you can meet these three criteria, you can apply and qualify for the E2 non-immigrant visa. It's given to you for 2 years at a time, and it can be renewed indefinitely. Every time the time for renewal comes in, as long as you've maintained your business, you should have no problem continuing and using this visa. Now, what are the benefits? First of all, it's for the whole family. So you, your spouse, and children under 21 can all come here on this visa and start living here. Secondly, your spouse gets a work permit. Now, this work permit is not tied to a certain employer like the H-1B visas are. This is an open work permit. They can have one job, two jobs, a part-time job, and do whatever they want. Or they can choose not to work, but it's available for them. So between the husband and the wife, you can decide who is a better candidate to run the business and who is a better candidate to actually work in the US. And then you can decide who should be the primary applicant. Now, your children, as long as they're 18 or under and go to high school, they can attend the local public schools at no cost, because the public schools in the US are at no charge to you. And the nice thing is, when they actually go to college, up until the age of 21, they can actually pay local fees. They don't pay these outrageous international student fees that can be at least 3 or 4 times sometimes for the actual tuition. Now, the question is, what happens after the 2 years, or when can you actually apply for a green card? Unfortunately, with the E2 visa, I want to make it very clear, it will never become a green card. It will keep continuing. I've got a client actually who's on their 16th year of E2. Now, they don't want a green card because they're a citizen of a country where they want to go back to and retire back there, but they want to spend some time in the US. But there are many ways that you can actually get a green card. So once we start the process, we have that conversation, we'll see what is the best way for you going forward for the green card once you're here in E2. Now, if you don't have a US visitor's visa, then the amount actually is $100,000, and you will be interviewed at the embassy. And the embassy is going to ask about your background. They're going to ask about your knowledge of English language. So there is really no test out there like IELTS or any other qualification, but they want you to be able to have a conversation in English so they can make sure that once you come here and you can run that business and have a normal conversation. Now, if you're in the US, then there is no interview. It's all paperwork. So as long as you have the funds available to you, then you can go and start the business. And as long as the documentation is good and correct, then your E2 status comes in the mail. So I can help you get settled in the US, look for the right business, make sure that it's a good fit for you, for your lifestyle, for your family, and hopefully get you the E2 non-immigrant visas.